So I probably, you guys get I get a lot of freaks ask me, Berto, how do you trade? Berto, how do you do this? Berto, do you just plug in and trade like this? This is all you do for a living? I'm like, yeah, dude. I just click buttons. I just click buttons just like this. That's basically what I do. It's literally the best time of your life, man. When you learn something so good, you know something so damn well, and you just click a button. Buy or sell, take profit. 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 Like, what else could you ask for, man? And that's basically what you get with my program. Simple as that. Yeah, I mean, don't get me wrong, you gotta learn how to do it. It's not something that's gonna come overnight. It's not something that's gonna come on tomorrow. Yeah, it takes time and experience to learn, but if somebody's coachable, dude, you're gonna be able to do this. Live life. Transactions. Coming in. And you're still gonna be able to profit. And more transactions. And then you know what, you're gonna be able to live life. And then go outside your big ass condo, penthouse, your big ass house, and see the big view. And more plug-in. Anyway, man, that's basically how it is. This is what we do. This is what we do for a living. This is what I do for a living. And a lot of the guys are basically learning from me every day. It's what they do. They literally just click buttons and trade. Click buttons and trade. They show up every session, exactly what time I tell them, and they profit. They get to enjoy life. They get to enjoy life with my dog. Where's my little Lido at? Oh, here it is. And that's basically what we do for a living. If you guys have been able, to profit, or if you guys want to learn more, if you guys want more knowledge and what you really need to really have success in the Forex market. I mean, don't get me wrong. I mean, like, I've had times where I'm like, damn, dude, like when I first started coming up, I didn't know who to listen to. I didn't know where to get my information from. The very first thing I did was go on Google. Like, I'm sure a lot of you guys probably do. I mean, put a thumbs up if that's actually true. And I think it's best to really have yourself a mentor, somebody that knows what they're doing, to really show you the way, to really provide you the knowledge and the right path instead of you wasting your time, trying to figure it all out, being a jack of all trades. Learn from somebody that has what you want. Study them, acknowledge them, right? Pay your way through it, right? It's a lot easier. It's a shortcut for a reason. Don't get me wrong, there's no shortcuts to success, but I can tell you there's a shortcut to this. So if you guys want more information, definitely send me an email. Find me on my Instagram on lionsofforex.com, or what was lionsofforex.com? That's my website, lionsofforex.com. But my Instagram is lionsofforex. Search it up, send me some love, and definitely subscribe to this YouTube channel, man, because I'm providing content every day, and I want you to be blessed, and I want you to have, the content that you really need so you can take your lives to the next level, not just spiritually, Forex, anything in life that I provide to you. I really hope it really helps you out. It really works out for you, because I guarantee you, man, if I don't let myself fail, I won't let you fail. Let's go. Basically, right now what's going on is that we're buying UJ, and AU already profited, so that's out of the way. UJ is basically, I'm expecting that to rise up. So let's see what it does. I'm sure it's gonna rise up. All my guys are gonna profit right now. So be ready for this. Let's go! Gotta wait. Gotta be patient. Gotta be patient. Gotta be patient on the bear, man. So that's what we're doing right now. We're waiting patiently, but you gotta be selective. You gotta be selective. This is the number one thing about trading: learning how to control your emotions, being confident in your trade. So let's fucking roll. What's up, guys? What's going on? So you guys can see right here, UJ basically paid out just as expected. Let me just show you guys what I mean. That thing spiked up in my low. So this is basically the signal that I sent out, and this is what we got going on, man. All right, so we basically got that low right there, right? I was like, hey, that low right there, we're gonna buy in, right? Check that symbol out right there. What does it say? It says UJ 111.090, and then, you know, right there. So you see it's like basically dropping, right? And I was like, you know what, we're gonna buy at that high. Once it hits that price, you know, obviously like all my members can buy in, and then, you know, you can check that out right there. Basically, you see the price right there, and you can see that it basically rised up right from where I said that. So, you know, let me show you this before and after picture. Check it out. So before, after, before, after. I just took it out, you know, just to take it out, because it's time to, you know, take your money out, man. You don't want to leave it too long.
But somehow they disappear, 'cause all that I trust